In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Lovable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a clean copy of any project so you can experiment, iterate, or branch your work without risking the original. First, sign into Lovable AI and head to your dashboard. From there, open your projects. This shows the full list of projects tied to your account or workspace. If you work across multiple spaces, double-check you're in the right one so you duplicate the correct project. You'll want to make sure the project you plan to copy is visible here. Next, find the project you want to duplicate. Hover over it or look on the right side of the project card or row for the three dots. Click those three dots to open the options menu. This menu is where Lovable AI puts the most useful actions for each project, and it's the quickest way to access duplication. In that menu, click Remix. In Lovable AI, Remix is their term for duplicating. As soon as you select it, the system creates a new copy of that project for you. This usually happens immediately, though large projects may take a moment to appear. You'll now have two separate versions, the original and the remix. Before you go any further, a quick note in case you're new to the platform. I've placed a link to the Lovable AI website at the very top of the description so you can sign up or log in quickly. It's right there for easy access. Now, open a new copy you just created. Give it a clear name so you can tell it apart at a glance. You can rename it from the project settings or by clicking the three dots and choosing Rename. I recommend adding something descriptive, like a purpose or date, so it's obvious why this copy exists. Finally, verify that everything duplicated correctly. Open the new project and skim through the content, files, and settings. Make sure key pieces like structure, assets, and configurations came over as expected. If your original used specific variables or integrations, confirm they look right here too. This is your safe playground. Changes you make in the new copy won't affect the original project, so feel free to start testing ideas, refactoring, or trying different approaches. That's all there is to it. You log in, open your projects, use the three dots to choose Remix, rename the new copy, and quickly check that everything carried over. If this was helpful, don't forget to use the link at the top of the description to get to Lovable AI. Thanks for watching.